Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn what is tense. Yes, tense refers to the time of an action or an event when it happens, whether yesterday or today or tomorrow. So that tense can be classified into three types: present tense, past tense and future tense. In the present tense, it can be categorized to four types, that is simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Come to past tense, that is simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Then come to future tense, simple future, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Mainly it can be classified into three types, that is present, past and future. That refers the time of an action or an event. Now come to past tense. In the last class we had seen what is present tense and present continuous tense. Now come to past tense. What is it? How do we form it? When do we use it? Why do we use this past tense? Shall we see an example for all these questions? Yes. What is past tense? We use the simple past tense when we talk about events that took place and finished in the past. Already it happened. That we call it as past tense. For example, I went to Hong Kong last year. Here, went. What is the present form of went? Go. Okay. Here, it happened last year. It finished off. So, this sentence we call it as past tense. I finished my homework at 8 p.m. last night. What is the present form of finished? Finish. Okay. Here, this homework which was finished by him last night. Okay, that's why they used past tense. Finish plus ed, finished. I had fried eggs for breakfast. That action also finished. Now we can categorize two kinds of verbs, that is regular verbs and irregular verbs. What is regular verb? We are adding just ed to the verb or adding d to the verb. The word ends with e means we are adding d. The word ends with some other consonant means we are adding ed. For example, that you call it as regular verb. For example, play, played, visit, visited, finish, finished, walk, walked, like, liked, believe, believed, listen, listened. Got it? What is irregular verb? That we couldn't add ed or d or ied to the verb. We are completely changing that word. That we call it as irregular verb. That is strong verb. Go, went, see, saw, have, had, make, made, swim, swam, buy, bought, put, fight, fought, bring, brought. So we can see too many words also. Okay, can you collect irregular verbs by yourselves? Look at the book and try to find out what is a past verb for that. Okay, either it might be regular verb adding ed or you are changing complete word. Got it, children? That's why I am asking you to read that word. Read the sentences in your content book and find out the verb and underline that verb and write the past verb for that. That's why I am telling you. Got it, children? Yes. What did he do last night? He cooked an Italian meal. Last night he cooked an Italian meal. What did he do yesterday? He read an interesting new book. Here read, read for past tense, that same spelling but pronunciation differs for past tense. Got it? Read for present tense, read for past tense. What did he do last weekend? He bought a present for his girlfriend. Bought, that is a verb here. Bought, read, cooked. So all these verbs, past verbs, have used here. Now it's your turn. What did you do yesterday? Can you frame 3 sentences by using past tense? Let you try now. Write it in your classwork last page. Put today's date, write that question and write your answers. Now This we call it as past tense. Then come to next past continuous sentence. Past continuous tense. Look at these sentences. I was talking on the phone. We were cooking dinner. These two sentences we call it as past continuous tense. Was, talking, talk, verb plus ing. Next sentence were, were, were plus cook plus ing. Here past tense we can use was, auxiliary verb and were. Okay, here if it is singular we can use was, if it is plural pronoun we can use were. Got it? How to form a past continuous? Was or were plus verb plus ing. I, he, she, it. You can use was plus verb plus ing. We, you, they. You can use were plus verb plus ing. That example is given here. I was working late. You were talking too fast. He was watching television. She was walking to school. It was raining. When to use a past continuous tense, a temporary activity in the past. For example, I was talking television. I was watching television at that moment. At that moment, I was watching. That happened nearly half an hour or something. It was raining last night. Last night it was raining nearly 2 hours or 3 hours. It happened yesterday. Okay, but that is continuous process. They were swimming in the river yesterday, like that. How to form a past continuous? If it is one syllable word, it ends with a consonant preceded by a vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. See, sit ends with the consonant preceded before the consonant, that is vowel. So what happens now? That consonant becomes doubled and adding ing. Sitting, getting, running. Got it, children? I was sitting outside. You were running fast. It was getting late. We were letting ourselves go. They were swimming in the river. So, the last word ends with the consonant preceded the vowels, means it doubles the consonant and adding ing to the verb. Got it, children? Yes. We use the past continuous tense when we want to talk about an action that was happening over a period of time in the past. That thing which was happening in the past, that we call it as past continuous tense. That is adding was plus verb plus ing and were plus verb plus ing. Yes, that formula I have given here. I plus was plus verb plus ing. He, she, it plus was plus verb plus ing. We, you, they plus were plus verb plus ing. This is past continuous tense and past tense. Now we will shift on simple future tense. What is future? It will happen in the future. That is used to express the actions that will happen in the future. What verb we can use it? Will or shall can be the root verb. For shall you can use I and we. For will I, we, I and we can use shall. Then they, he, she, it, for all these pronouns we can use will. Okay, if it is compulsory, it happens, means you can use I will, we will also. Got it, children? Yes. Here it refers the actions that will happen in the future. Already I told her there is two ways, that is will or shall. Shall can be used for advice. Okay, then for asking questions you can use shall. Will can be used for promise. For in a simple sentence you can use it will. In making a positive simple future statement using will, the pattern is subject plus will plus verb. That is, you will buy new shoes. They will attend class tomorrow. Okay, you will buy new shoes. They, like that you can use will. I and we also we can use will if it is compulsory. Then for negative sentences, subject plus will not plus verb in base form. Will not. What does come? Won't. Will not. What does when you join it? What happens? Won't. Shall not. Shan't. SHAN apostrophe T. Shan't. Won't. Shan't. Can't. that and all. You will buy new shoes. Here will plus not won't. Okay, you add not here, won't. They won't attend class tomorrow. For questions, what is the thing means formulae? Will plus subject plus verb. That will you buy new shoes? Will they attend class tomorrow? Okay. Shall I come tomorrow? Shall I come tomorrow? Shall we play? So while asking questions you can use in this way. Got it, children? Yeah, come to future continuous tense. Future continuous tense, that actions will be happening at a point of time in the future. In the future, that action will be continuing for 2 hours or 3 hours, for a whole day, whatever it is. In the future, it happens, that we call it as future continuous tense. For that formula, subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. Subject plus, if it is negative sentence, subject plus will not be plus verb plus ing. If it is question, will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing. Here, if it is I and we, you can use shall. Got it, children? Yes. Here I will be eating, you will be walking, we will be going, they will be drinking, he will be sleeping, it will be driving, like that. Okay, if you are adding not means, how does it come? I will not be eating, you will not be walking, we will not be going, they will not be drinking, like that. We are adding not. Okay, will be eating, they will be eating. That happens if not is added means in that way. Okay, here will question format, will I be eating, will you be walking, will we be going, like that. We have to ask such kind of questions. What are children, will she be drinking, like that. I hope that you all understand past tense, past continuous, future tense and future continuous tense. Thank you, children. Before that, in your classwork, write two tenses. Past tense, write two sentence. Past continuous tense, write two sentence. Similarly, future tense, future continuous, nearly write 8 sentences in your classwork last page. I hope that you all understood. Thank you.